top engineers are actively deleting their artificial intelligence tools. If you keep stacking subscriptions, your daily productivity will actually collapse. The professionals surviving this burnout are doing one completely unexpected thing. 3 years ago, the average developer used 7 different artificial intelligence tools every single day. You probably did the exact same thing. We wired up automated email drafters, code generation plugins, and meeting summarizers, thinking more output meant better results. The initial rush was incredible because the raw volume of work we could push out doubled almost overnight. But nobody accounted for the cognitive tax of constantly reviewing, editing, and managing all those algorithmic outputs. Instead of becoming a super employee, you became a full-time editor for a highly confident intern who lies 20% of the time. The entire tech industry quietly hit a wall. And what happened next forced a massive reset. Stop thinking about artificial intelligence as a completely free lunch. The breaking point arrived when tech workers realized fixing generated mistakes took longer than just doing the work themselves. A recent internal survey at a major tech firm showed engineers were spending up to 40% of their day just wrangling prompt outputs. This created a phenomenon researchers call prompt fatigue. The mental load of context switching between different chat interfaces and second-guessing every line of generated text completely destroyed deep work. People were hitting burnout not from the workload itself, but from the friction of their own automated systems. The old brute force method officially broke. But the smartest operators found a backdoor out of this mess. The absolute top performers in Silicon Valley are now practicing something called token minimizing. Instead of throwing a prompt at every minor inconvenience, they are ruthlessly cutting back their algorithmic dependency. They treat model usage like a strict daily budget. If a task does not require heavy lifting, the tools stay off. This minimalist approach strips the daily workflow down to just one highly capable flagship model, eliminating all the fragmented plugins and specialized wrappers that clutter the background. Every elite developer who rebuilt their workflow this year is following this exact same reduction strategy. They traded the illusion of infinite speed for extreme precision and focus. The results from this shift are completely changing the standard playbook. This is where your current workflow either survives or completely breaks down. Teams that adopted token minimizing report a massive spike in actual shipped products. By reducing their artificial intelligence interactions to only the most complex architectural problems, their error rates plummeted. One engineering pod at a leading cloud provider ripped out their automated code review bots entirely. They replaced them with a single weekly deep dive using the most capable reasoning model available. Their merge conflicts dropped by 60% in 1 month. The math is undeniable. Relying on fewer, higher quality interactions yields vastly superior results than spamming cheap generations all day long. And you can apply this exact same framework to your own daily routine starting right now. The execution plan for getting your focus back is brutally simple. You need to zero-base your tech stack today. Delete every single extension, automated summarizer, and specialized writing tool you have installed. Go back to completely manual work for 48 hours. Notice where the friction actually hurts, not where a tech influencer told you it hurts. Then, slowly reintroduce exactly one flagship model to handle only those specific, high-friction bottlenecks. Keep your prompts consolidated and refuse to add secondary tools unless they are absolutely critical. This audit is the only way to stop working for the algorithm and make it work for you. But there is a hidden risk here that almost everyone ignores. The massive shift toward minimalism is terrifying the software ecosystem. As power users consolidate their workflows, thousands of thin wrapper applications are facing extinction. If your entire business model relies on people using a specialized interface for basic prompts, the market is actively moving away from you. The future belongs to workers who cultivate deep, focused reasoning over shallow, automated volume. Being the person who can think clearly without constant algorithmic assistance is rapidly becoming a premium skill again. The companies building the next generation of artificial intelligence know this is happening, and they are already changing how they price their models to adapt. Which means the rules of the game are about to shift entirely once more. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you stay sharp for the next major